Michel, you tell me. Okay, we're live.
Hi, New York.
Hi, New York. Can you hear us? New York is getting back. Okay, we're going to wait for a bit.
Let's wait for 30 seconds.
Okay.
We can hear you in New York, but we're just getting back into the auditorium, so give us just a minute.
New York, can you hear us?
Paco.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, very good. So we are going to use this a small buffer here to do the quick introductions that we were planning to do before and were prevented to do because of the echo issues. So again, can I get the slides up there? Yeah, very good, fantastic. So yeah, again, hopefully it's a pretty large conference. We are about 450 if we count Paris, New York, and the people register online. As you know, it's taking place in two locations, and you've seen it's sometimes a bit tough.
He's written on the slides that AV is challenging in Mayfield.
So we've seen that. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we have a code of conduct. Please abide to the code of conduct. It's available everywhere, etc. Again, just a reminder that we'll have review talks in the morning for Paris and in the evening for New York, and the one in Paris will be broadcasted in New York the next day. The one in New York will be broadcasted in Paris the next day. So please come with us for the review talks tomorrow morning in Paris, and we'll at some time we'll have a broadcast of the one from New York. Of course, you can stay around and we can have a discussion about what is presented if people are interested, even though the speaker won't be available. Please, you've seen. Make sure that you stay on time for all of your talks. There are many talks. We had a lot of pressure. We did our best to accommodate everyone. So please be on time so that you're not stealing time to other people.
Otherwise, you'll get into trouble.
Okay. So you've seen there are a few questions for contributed talk, 1 or 2 questions for half talks. No question for flash talks, and we'll have to think about some way to have a bit more interaction for the flash talks. We'll see later after today. And use Slack. Poster, you've seen them, they're displayed, etc. Let's go through that. You know that already. We'll have debates on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You can look at the topics on the web. The idea, again, is that it's as lively as possible, and we'll try to have these debates with 2 people here, 2 people in New York, and a host and co-host in New York and Paris. Some extra information, please use the Slack for discussion. That's the only way we can speak with each other between Paris and New York and with the people online. So please ask your question. You've seen how it works already. We will do a group picture a group picture of everybody. So the one in Paris will be tomorrow at 12:30. And if all of the remote participants could send their picture at this location, and we'll circulate that on Slack again. We'll try to have a composite pictures with everybody. We will circulate a survey to evaluate the carbon footprint of the conference. The reason for having this complicated setup is to avoid all of us traveling to New York or the people in New York traveling to Paris. So we'll try to evaluate how much we're winning in terms of carbon footprint by doing this complicated thing. And we'll see how it goes. So we'll try to make all of the movies available every day after the conference for people that have missed something, and obviously to broadcast the review. And eventually, all of the movies of the conference will be available on YouTube. Okay. And the conference website will be archived along with all of the posters and the talks that goes with the posters, and of course all of the talks that are on YouTube. But we will not archive the Slack discussion. I hope that there will be lively Slack exchanges, so please make sure that you archive all of that. Paco, anything you want to add in New York?